This is CpplusDashcam. First of all, we need to power on this dashcam using the power cable.
CpplusDashcam is powered on. Please insert your micro SD card.
Now it is powered on. After that, we need to insert this SD card in this dashcam for the purpose of local recording.
Please format SD card.
After this, we need to open the application in iPhone, that is CarKam. In this, we need to click on Go to Connect. Then we need to select the Wi-Fi option. Here we will get the SSID of the dashcam. We need to enter the password to authenticate the connection, and this password will vary according to the device as it will be unique for every device, and it will be the combination of model number and MAC address. Then we need to open the application again. Here we will get the live view of the dashcam. So here we will get the different option for this device. If we want to check the playback, we simply can click on playback option to check its playback. So according to the calendar date, we can select the date and time in this. Thank you.